gumana ang proseso mo? Anak, are your processes still working for your business? Documenting your processes is not a one-time task, ha? It is an ongoing process. And si Denise, who owns a landscaping business, realized this the hard way. Meron siyang mga manuals na na-create na merong clear roles pero wala siyang regular review. Ang resulta, yung ibang mga steps naging outdated na. Tapos mga small mistakes, they started piling up and projects ran slower than expected. One client even questioned why a project took longer than planned. Sakit sa ulo, di ba? That's why review and improvement of processes is crucial. So from then on, si Denise checks how her business works every few months. She would ask the team for ideas and look for problems because doing so helps them fix small issues bago sila lumaki. Because of this, her team is now better at their jobs. Si Denise naman has more time to make big plans. Her business runs well now and she feels more in control. Kaya anak, eto yung lesson. Regularly review and improve your processes so your business keeps running efficiently and your team stays empowered. Kaya mo yan. And be business-minded Pinoy. And kung gusto mong mag-spend more time growing your business, stop getting stuck in repetitive tasks. The Get One Task Off Your Plate mini course will teach you how to delegate the right way and get your time back. Check the link below.